Do you want to be your own boss and build a thriving, profitable AI automation agency with emerging novel AI business model in a few short months of initiation? So, what exactly is an AI automation agency? In essence, it represents a business model centered around collaborating with other enterprises to integrate AI into their operational processes and workflows. The scope is vast, spanning the creation of chatbots, content generation systems, and AI workflows tailored to enhance efficiency for businesses. The excitement surrounding this opportunity stems from the immense market potential. Consider this. Which companies wouldn't benefit from the integration of AI to streamline their operations? The answer is nearly universal. Every company stands to gain. For those contemplating the feasibility of starting an AI automation agency, the timing couldn't be better. Many businesses are only beginning to explore the possibilities of incorporating AI into their operations, with just 1 in 3 US adults having experimented with an AI tool. In essence, we find ourselves at the early stages of AI adoption. Drawing parallels to the delayed onset of companies joining social media platforms after the advent of Facebook and Instagram, a similar trend is unfolding with AI. Companies are aware of AI's capabilities, yet many, particularly smaller entities, grapple with implementation strategies. This is where you come into play. Now the question arises, how does one embark on establishing an AI automation agency? The first crucial step involves selecting a specific business model. Given the myriad ways businesses can enhance efficiency and profitability through AI tools, identifying a niche area and specializing in it is key. For those unsure of where to begin, consider this video as a valuable resource. Below, we outline 5 AI automation agency services that require minimal business and coding expertise. Additionally, we provide insights into delivering these services to clients, enabling you to kickstart your venture promptly. Let's delve into it. Idea 1. Personalized Cold Outreach Systems Challenge. Numerous businesses rely on emails for lead generation, but struggle with poor response rates and converting leads into customers. AI solution. Enhance conversion rates by creating personalized email outreach. While personalized emails yield better responses, many companies shy away due to the time-intensive nature. AI, however, can streamline the process, allowing you to craft personalized emails at scale. Service delivery. Utilize an AI no-code tool like Browse AI to extract data from LinkedIn profiles linked in a spreadsheet. Leverage the ChatGPT API to generate personalized messages, integrating the system with clients' email, SMS platforms. Idea 2. Staff Training Chatbot Challenge. Companies with high employee turnover incur significant costs in training new hires, particularly in stressful environments like call centers. AI solution. Implement a staff training chatbot to swiftly address repetitive queries from new employees, significantly improving efficiency. Service delivery. Collect training documents from the business owner and employ platforms like BotPress or Stack AI to train the chatbot. Deploy the chatbot in the client's internal systems. Idea 3. Customized Plan Generator Challenge. Industries relying on tailored plans, such as nutrition and finance, face time-consuming efforts in creating personalized solutions. AI solution. Feed an AI chatbot with a database of previous personalized plans to expedite the creation of customized plans with minimal effort. Service delivery. Compile client-specific examples and utilize a vector database, e.g., Stack AI, to create a chatbot. Clients can input relevant information, and the chatbot will generate personalized plans swiftly. Idea 4. Onboarding Chat. Assistant challenge. Complex and time-consuming client onboarding processes hinder effective business scaling. AI solution. Implement an onboarding chat assistant powered by AI to address common queries, guide clients through processes, and offer immediate support during onboarding. Service delivery. Conduct workshops to understand existing onboarding processes. Develop an intuitive chatbot using AI platforms, and seamlessly integrate it into clients' websites. Idea 5. Airbnb Guest Support Chat. Challenge. Managing multiple Airbnb properties poses logistical challenges, especially in handling repetitive guest inquiries. AI solution. Deploy an Airbnb guest support chatbot to automate responses to common queries, allowing hosts to focus on enhancing guest experiences. Service delivery, compile FAQs from property owners and build a chatbot using AI platforms. Deploy the chatbot on popular messaging platforms for easy guest access. By exploring these AI automation agency services, even those with limited business and coding experience can embark on a journey into the burgeoning field of AI business models.